Welcome to Naga's Odalicious. In today's video, we're going to see the preparation of the Thursday special for Navaratri Day 6 2020. Ukkare made out of the yellow split chana dal and the golden chana sundal. So these two dishes are very auspicious for Thursday preparation. So for morning it is ukkare. It is a traditional sweet made out of the chana dal. So for that you have to take chana dal 1 cup. Wash it well and soak it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, drain the water and transfer the contents into a mixer for grinding. So we have to grind till we get a coarse consistency. Now this ground chana dal has to be taken for steam cooking process. So we can do it using a steam cooker or you can use a simple idli cooker also. So we have to steam cook the contents for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, so the cooked chana dal is like this. So this we have to take it into a blender and mix it till we obtain a rava like consistency. In a separate pan, in a moderate flame, add exactly half a cup of jaggery, not more than that. To that add 3 teaspoons of water and wait till you get this boiling consistency. So once we start observing the bubbles in the jaggery, add exactly 1 teaspoon of ghee and allow it to melt. Once the ghee starts to melt, mix the jaggery with the ghee. This step is important because when we add the coarse chana powder, they'll be able to blend together well. Yes, and now they are perfectly blended. At this stage, add the powder that you have prepared. And here again the blending is very important because the jaggery with the ghee and the chana which you have prepared for ukkare have to mix well. And the speciality of ukkare is it is not in the consistency of halwa. Ukkare has to be in a dry form. So just like puttu we can say. Okay, so this is the exact consistency of ukkare. Yes, very well prepared. And to this you can add a teaspoon of cardamom. Mix well. Garnish it with the cashews. And morning ukkare is ready to be offered to the deity on Thursday. So that was the preparation of the traditional sweet ukkare made out of the chana dal, jaggery, ghee, cardamom and cashews. Now let us go into the preparation of the evening, that is golden chana sundal. So take 2 cups of the golden chana, that is the chickpeas, and we get a chana in different varieties. You have green, you have dark brown, and then you have white Kabuli chana, but I always prefer this golden chana for preparing on Thursdays. So this golden color chana, take 2 cups and soak it for minimum 4 hours. Since I am preparing it for the evening, I soak it in the morning around 10 o'clock so that it is easy for me to prepare with the sundal. And after 4 hours, we can observe that it absorbs water completely. And drain water and transfer it to a pressure pan. Immerse it in water. So it is sufficient if you immerse the chana dal in water for cooking them further. And now I generally add salt to taste while cooking the chana itself. And after adding salt, pressure cook it for 4 whistles. And after 4 whistles, cool and then open the lid. So now we can see that the chana dal is cooked. If you want, you can just check it. Take 1 chana and crush it with your fingers and you can observe that it is perfectly cooked if you follow the entire protocol. And now take a separate pan. The pan has to be bigger enough to accommodate the 2 cups of the channa. So add 1 tablespoon of oil and then 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. After the mustard seed splutters, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, and then red chilies 7 to 8, which are broken into 2 or 3. Saute them well. At this stage you have to be very careful because we have to ensure that the urad dal shouldn't get burnt. So this sauteing process is very important. Wait till the urad dal becomes golden brown. So once it becomes golden brown, that is once the urad dal becomes golden brown, add a sprig of curry leaves. This has to be done very fast because the urad dal shouldn't turn to black. So when it is golden brown, add a sprig of curry leaves. Give a gentle mix and immediately add the cooked channa so that the urad dal doesn't get burnt further. So after adding the cooked channa, give it a complete mix. And then after that, add the sundal podi of about 3 tablespoons. See, this step is very important because it is this sundal podi which gives the aroma and flavor to the dish that is being prepared. The preparation of sundal podi, I have made it as a separate video and I have given it in the description section. Please do check it. So for 1 cup I generally take 1.5 tablespoons, but for 2 cups I am taking 3 tablespoons. And after that, mix well. Yes, that's it. So our evening offering, that is golden chana sundal, is ready. So the dishes, Navaratri dishes for Thursday morning is ukkare, the traditional sweet, and for evening it is the golden chana sundal. Hope you liked the video. Please try the recipe. If you get it well, let me know in the comment section. So till then, it is bye from Nagas Oh Delicious. Stay safe and have a blessed Navaratri.